Imagine two families selling identical homes, one in 2015 and one in 2025. The 2015 family is still waiting for offers after months on the market, while the 2025 family sold it in just 2 weeks. What's the difference? In this video, we're going to show you how home selling has changed in the last decade and the tricks that can help you sell your home faster in today's market. You'll see what works now and what strategies are holding sellers back. I promise that by the end of this video, you'll have a whole new perspective on selling your home. Remember, the real estate world is always changing, and I want to make sure that you're prepared for what's out there. Meet the Johnsons, a typical family trying to sell their suburban home in 2015. They followed the traditional playbook, listing on the MLS, scheduling open houses, and hoping word of mouth would spread through the neighborhood. At first, they were very optimistic. Their house was in good shape, and the market seemed steady. But as weeks passed without an offer, their confidence dropped. Remember, back in 2015, homes spent an average of 70 days on the market. For the Johnsons, those 70 days felt like an eternity. The emotional toll just started to creep in, keeping the house spotless, rushing home for last-minute showings, and canceling plans that became exhausting. Their lives were on hold, all for a sale that wasn't happening. After 6 weeks, their realtor suggested lowering the price. It was tough, but the Johnsons agreed, dropping their asking price by 5%. This brought in more lookers, but still no offers. As months dragged on, they faced a harsh reality. In 2015, many homes were undervalued due to ineffective marketing strategies. Their basic MLS listing and open houses just weren't reaching enough potential buyers. Finally, after nearly 4 months, an offer came in 10% below their initial asking price. Frustrated and worn down, the Johnsons accepted. They just wanted it to be over. Looking back, their experience wasn't unique for 2015. But what if there was a better way? What if they could have sold their home faster, with less stress, and for a better price? Well, that's exactly what we're going to explore next. Fast forward to 2025, the real estate landscape has changed dramatically, and a new family is about to discover just how powerful these changes can be. Meet the Romanos. They're selling an identical home to the one across the street. But here's the twist. Their agent strategy couldn't be more different. What secret weapon do they have that the other homeowners didn't? The Romanos agent is a tech-savvy professional who knows how to leverage every modern tool available. They begin by arranging for professional physical staging, transforming the home into an inviting and beautifully styled space that appeals to today's potential buyers. Once staging is complete, a professional photographer captures stunning images that showcase the home at its absolute best. First, the Romanos were hesitant. Why do we need to stage the house? What's wrong with our furniture? This couch is so cozy. It's where we spend every evening watching our favorite shows. Their agent patiently explained that staging isn't about furniture. It's about creating an emotional connection that helps buyers envision their future in the home. Once they understood how staging could set their home apart, the Romanos fully embraced the process. With a clear plan in place, their agent takes the next step, creating an Instagram marketing campaign specifically for the Romanos home. They share those professional photos along with short video tours and even some before and after clips. Remember, Instagram has over 2 billion active users. That's a lot of potential buyers. But the strategy doesn't stop at organic posts. The agent uses targeted ads to reach specific demographics who are most likely to be interested in the neighborhood. It's like casting a wide net, but one that's carefully designed to catch exactly the right fish. The results? Within days, the Romanos listing is getting more views than the house across the street saw in a month. People are scheduling virtual tours, asking questions through direct messages, and sharing the listing with friends who might be interested. So what's the biggest change in home selling from 2015 to 2025? It's the power of digital reach. In 2015, your home was seen by whoever happened to drive by or check the local listings. In 2025, your home can be in front of thousands of potential buyers, no matter where they are. As the Romanos move into the next phase of their selling journey, they're feeling confident. But will all this online buzz translate into real offers? That's what we're going to explore next. Scrolling through your social media feed, you come across your dream home. Now you can walk through that home. You can open closets and peek out the windows, all from your couch. This is the future of real estate marketing, where virtual becomes reality. Top agents are creating immersive experiences that are changing the game. Those 360 degrees virtual tours give potential buyers a chance to explore every inch of the home without stepping a foot outside. Perfect for those out-of-town buyers or anyone wanting to check out properties at their own pace. But a killer online presence is more than just visuals. Top agents craft social media campaigns that tell a story, painting a picture of a lifestyle. They know that details matter, like how Wednesdays around 9 a.m. tend to get the most engagement for real estate posts. Every part of the strategy is carefully planned to maximize impact. Think about how many people you can reach with traditional methods like door knocking or for sale signs. Not that many, right? That's why top agents use targeted ads to put listings in front of thousands of potential buyers. These ads are designed to reach specific demographics, people most likely to be interested in the type of home and neighborhood. At first, results might feel slow. Sellers sometimes ask, is this really working? But good things take time, especially in today's market, and top agents know their strategy is working behind the scenes. They stay the course, confident in their approach. Then there's the next level. Short-form videos and live virtual tours on platforms like Instagram and Facebook. These engaging, shareable content pieces keep potential buyers coming back for more, reaching buyers all over the world. In just 10 years, technology has transformed the real estate market. Selling your home is now a 24/7 affair, with listings actively seeking out potential buyers wherever they are. The exciting part we're going to explore next is how the online buzz translates into real offers. What if I told you that the right online strategy could boost your final sale price by up to 10%? Let's explore how digital age is changing real estate in ways you might not expect. Remember the Romanos and their tech-savvy agent? Their strategy paid off big time. Within days of launching their online campaign, they started getting serious inquiries and multiple solid offers. That's the power of smart marketing in action. Now, you might be wondering if this really makes a difference in the final sale price. Let me tell you, it absolutely does. When you have multiple buyers competing for your home, it can drive up the price significantly. Homes marketed this way often sell for more than the initial asking price. We're talking about potentially tens of thousands of dollars more in your pocket. But it's not just about the money. These modern marketing techniques are also helping homes sell faster. Properties that use professional photography and virtual tours are selling 50% quicker than those that don't. That means less time stressing out about keeping your house perfect for showings and more time planning your next move. Here's the thing about managing multiple offers. It's all about creating a sense of urgency. Top agents these days set a deadline for offers. This encourages buyers to put their best foot forward right from the start. No more back and forth negotiations that drag on for days. I want you to think about how this changes the whole selling experience. Instead of waiting around hoping for a single decent offer, you're in the driver's seat, choosing from several strong bids. It's a complete shift in power, and it's all thanks to embracing these new technologies and strategies. In today's market, your home is competing with every listing that pops up on a buyer's phone or computer screen. That's why a visually appealing online presence, including staging for social media, has become crucial. It can be the difference between a quick sale and a long wait. But before you go, let's recap some actual tips to modernize your home selling approach. First, invest in professional staging and photography. These visual elements are non-negotiable for making your home stand out online and creating a powerful first impression. Buyers scroll quickly, and you want your home to stop them in their tracks. Next, leverage social media strategically. Use platforms like Instagram and Facebook to highlight your home's best feature and tell a story that resonates with potential buyers. A strong online presence isn't optional anymore. It's where today's buyers start their search. Don't forget about virtual tours. These immersive experiences let buyers explore your home from anywhere, saving time and attracting serious interest. Pair this with targeted ads to reach the right audience, and you'll maximize exposure to buyers who are most likely to make an offer. Finally, embrace the tech tools available to you. From live virtual open houses to well-timed social posts, modern methods can speed up your sale and potentially boost your final sale price. Trust me, by implementing these strategies, you're positioning your home for success. I've seen it happen time and time again. Homes that use these techniques sell faster and for more money. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I share valuable, accurate real estate tips and advice every week to help you confidently navigate the real estate market. Join our community and stay informed on everything you need to know to succeed in real estate. See you next time.